Fun date night ideas all done on my Vibe Griddle. Let's get into this. First, to start with the fried rice. So you got your eggs, chicken, rice, garlic butter, bachan's Japanese sauce, sesame oil, and magi. Give that a good mix and show her your love with a beating heart. Then make that date night even hotter with a flaming fire. Now let's go ahead and season the veggies. You can slice this up. Add garlic butter, bachan's, and a mix. Now season that chicken, season that steak, add bachan's, season that shrimp, add bachan's, add garlic. Flip that steak, slice it. Guess what? Garlic butter, more bachan's, more butter, mix and enjoy.